So people go to my YouTube channel and I have here my own domain. So when someone clicks here, it's going to open the opt-in page of my sales funnel. And so it's important here to add as many emails as you can. For example, I have here emails to promote multiple products. For example, this is to promote get response. This is a value email. So this link doesn't have any links. It's only information. I have another email to promote to body. This is a software that I use that software to do keyword research, and as you can see, I have here all these emails, and basically we just need to add more emails to promote more products to help people to go from a point A to a point B. And so that is affiliate marketing. So we are just helping people by promoting the products, good high quality products, to take people from a point A, which is a point of massive pain, to a point B, which is their goal.